Hi children, welcome back to our chemistry class. In the last class, we learned about structural isomerism and we drawn the structures of cyclohexane and benzene. Cyclohexane and benzene are ring compound. We know that carbon forms large number of compounds. They are forming straight chain compounds, branched chain and ring compounds. Cyclohexane and benzene are ring compounds. Okay. Today we will learn about formulae and structures of some carbon compounds containing carbon and hydrogen. That is hydrocarbon. Formulae and structures of some hydrocarbons. What is meant by hydrocarbon? Yes, the compound containing only carbon and hydrogen are known as hydrocarbons. In a hydrocarbon, carbon forms single bonds with other atoms are known as saturated hydrocarbon, or a hydrocarbon containing only single bonds, carbon-carbon single bonds, that is known as saturated hydrocarbons. These are also known as alkanes. Saturated hydrocarbon also known as alkanes. A hydrocarbon in which the carbon atoms, in a hydrocarbon, the carbon atoms forms double bonds between the carbon atoms, or a hydrocarbon contains one or more carbon-carbon double bonds are known as alkenes. It is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon containing double or triple bonds are known as unsaturated hydrocarbon. In an unsaturated hydrocarbon, it contains carbon-carbon double bond. It contains one or more carbon-carbon double bond is known as alkene. Alkenes. A hydrocarbon contains one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. One or more carbon-carbon double bonds is known as alkene. It is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Then a unsaturated hydrocarbon contains one or more carbon-carbon triple bond. That is known as alkyne. That is known as alkyne. Alkynes. Once again, alkanes means it is a hydrocarbon. It contains only carbon-carbon single bonds. Alkene means it also a unsaturated hydrocarbon. It contains one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. Okay. Then alkynes. It also an unsaturated hydrocarbon. It contains one or more carbon-carbon triple bonds. Okay. These are three types of hydrocarbons. We know that carbon compounds or hydrocarbons, their name indicated by in a way that I explained in one class. That is, if a carbon compound, it contains only one carbon atom, it is indicated by meth. Isn't it? Yes. Then a carbon compounds consisting two carbon atoms, it is indicated by eth. 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. That like the names are indicated. Look here, alkanes. The general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula for alkanes. CnH2n plus 2. Carbon and hydrogen. Hydrocarbon means it contains only carbon and hydrogen. So, alkanes general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes, its general formula is CnH2n. CnH2n. Alkanes, its general formula is CnH2n minus 2. These are the three formulae of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Once again, the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. Then the general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Then we are going through the structures of some alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Okay. Then the first carbon compound or first member of alkane is N equal to 1. That is, it contains only one carbon atom. The first member of alkane. That is, here we give N equal to 1. That is the first member. Then that becomes C1 H2 into 1 plus 2. Okay. It will become CH4. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2. That is 4. So, the first member of alkane is CH4. The first member of alkane is CH4. This is the molecular formula for methane. The first member is methane because we know that it contains only one carbon atom. It contains only one carbon atom. It contains only one carbon atom, and so it is start with meth. Meth. It is an alkane, so it is ending by ANE. So the first member of alkane is methane. The first member of alkane is methane. Okay. Then we can look the first member of alkene. What is the first member of alkene? We know that an unsaturated hydrocarbon contains one or more carbon-carbon double bonds. Carbon-carbon double bonds is known as alkene. So, if we give one, if we take here only one carbon atom, it is not possible. Carbon-carbon double bond is not possible. Look here, CnH2n. Alkenes means it contains carbon-carbon double bond. So, its first member. First member രണ്ട് carbon atom ഉള്ളതായിരിക്കും alkene first member. The first member of alkene is it contains two carbon atoms. Then only carbon-carbon double bond possible. Carbon-carbon double bond ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലാണ് that is alkene. So, നമ്മൾ ഒരു carbon atom മാത്രം consider ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ it not possible because it is not there is no possibility to carbon-carbon double bond. So, the first member of alkene means it contains two carbon atom. That is the first member. So, its molecular structure will become C2H2 into 2. Okay. C2H4. This is the first member of alkene. This is the first member of alkene. It is known as ethene. Ethene because it contains two carbon atoms. So, it starts with eth. Then it is an alkene So its name is ethene. What it is? Ethene. Ethene. Same way, alkanes containing carbon, one or more carbon, triple bond. So here also we want to take the first member with the 2 carbon atoms. നമ്മൾ ആൽക്കീന്റെ കേസ് പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ ആൽക്കൈൻസിലും ഫസ്റ്റ് മെമ്പർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 കാർബൺ ആറ്റുള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട് ആയിരിക്കും. Because then only there possible carbon triple bond. Carbon triple bond ulla compounds, hydrocarbon is known as alkane. So the first member endayirikkum, first member consisting 2 carbon atoms. So it also like this, C2H2 into 2 minus 2. Okay, then C2, 2 into 2, 4, minus 2 means C2H2. This is the first member of alkyne. First member of alkyne. Its name is ethyne. Ethyne. Because it contains 2 carbon atoms. Okay, so it starts with the eth. And it is an alkyne. So it will end by YNE. So its name will become ethyne. The first member of alkane is methane. The first member of alkene is ethene. Then the first member of alkyne is ethyne. Okay, these are the first members of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Okay.